And welcome to this video. Today me and my friend is unboxing this new keyboard. What do I think it's called? Um, you can't like see our faces because that's like not something at my YouTube channel. But yeah, should we just jump right into it? I think it's a good idea actually. So this video isn't like so long. And we are doing it right now. I hope. And that's the backside of it. It looks very awesome, I think. And don't like the smoke. You can see it's from a smoke machine I have. So that's nothing. That sounds like it's very close. And it's actually my first video where I'm like filming this in real life. So I hope you like it. Okay. Oh. And they're like, I think that no, it don't look like it want to. I don't know actually why I turned the smoke machine off right now. Just did it. And now it looks like it. You're also going to connect it to a PC. Like you can kind of see the other keyboard. Smoke machine. Yes. And we got something. I don't know what that little like folder there is. But right now it actually just looks normal. As you can see like through the smoke. It looks 100% normal. And I really hope you like this video because I'm really going to like hate when I like record a video and this is not having that good. Yeah. Oh, the wire isn't going with it. And there was a little like book in there. Okay. Oh, that looks cool. And that was just my like arm that set that click sound. We don't. I even don't even understand what that's saying. And yeah, that's just it. Like the wire is it's in here. Let's get that out of it first, I think. Yeah, that looks cool. I have like never seen a USB wire that looks like that. That's cool. A little thing to like keep safe. Can I move the box? Yes, the box is being moved. And there we have it. And the box looks awesome. And right now it don't look as awesome as this, but this is going to be awesome, I think. You can see like the logo and all that. They're not like sponsoring me or anything. It's just my friend that had a keyboard he haven't even opened. Okay. And we are going to connect it if you would ask. This mouse is just getting caught and then that looks awesome. Oh, right there. Right there. Fruit. Yeah, it looks awesome. it looks very awesome. And there you have it. The little logo looks very good right there. It sounds good. Should we like plug it into the PC or something? Oh, you can. Oh, I didn't really see those. That's cool. Don't know why it actually is that. Yeah, why it's getting in the way again. I'm better at like filming videos like this, I think. But I hope you like it. And this isn't even my place, it's my friend's place, if you would ask. I just got a smoke machine with me. Don't ask me, I'm crazy. Oh no, it's yes, now it's going on again. It looks awesome right now, I think. He's going to plug it in. That's the little thing that's like the safety. Now just looks at the magic. It's like purple right now. And I don't. Oh. don't. I don't really know. It says only 6 minutes and. Okay, if it's going to end, then bye.